Oh, I'm so excited. You guys don't even know. Oh boy. Totally forgot about this thing. How's it going, everybody? Or no, I'll just say welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is the day that I'm finally going to be installing my, I don't know what happened to my camera just there. Anyway, so today is the day I'm going to be installing my XForce exhaust. These are the XForce with Varex mufflers, so that means that there is a valve. So if I can get it so you can see inside there. Kind of. There it is. There's the valve. So funny story, UPS must have like tossed my package because this one was actually cracked, and you can see this is actually plastic JB Weld. I put it back together. They're sending me a new one, all is good. Nothing missing. The company, XForce, of course. Everything worked out, they even contacted me, but for now, I want to install this, so this is what's gonna have to happen, and it's on there pretty solid. So it's summertime, well, almost summertime, so the weather shouldn't be too bad. Knock on some wood, because I guarantee that's gonna change. Anyway, here's the mid pipe as well, part of it, 3-inch, also 3-inch with a resonator, which this resonator may not be on there very long because I prefer the non-resonated sound. So let's get started. So once you get the rear mufflers off, which are right there, which are a pain in the ass to get off because you can barely get your hands around them to get to the hangers. If you come down here, there's rubber exhaust hangers below down here. One in this back section that holds the back part on, and then it's only just connected by the cat right there. So that's all you have to do. And then on to the next step, and look at how tiny this is. It is, okay, wait.
That doesn't even look like 2.5.
Okay, this is it right here.
The 3-inch looks huge. Holy shit.
Yeah, I can fit my fingers like that, and I can't even fit my fingers like across it.
What the heck?
That's real measurements right there. It's weird that it comes in a little bit right here, but yeah, that's so. This is
the mufflers.
This is bigger than just the main section. This part is bigger.
Oh really?
I think over there, or maybe this is the same size.
It's the same.
It might be the same size as this part, but then this part's just smaller on it, on the other one. But so now on to the mid pipe. They spent more time, because we took these off with no problem the first time, but I'm thinking what happened was, I think we tightened the shit out of these.
Yeah.
I don't know. They don't even look, I mean, like, that's not that far on there. I don't know. So, little update, these broke, and luckily the Subaru dealer has them, but that really sucks. But anyway, since we're standing here, jeez, and I'm gonna roll my ankle check out the size difference of these. So that's a weird bend in that, huh? There we go. It's huge compared to that. Just sit there, oh, because this doesn't have the resonator, but that's so much bigger. So as you guys can see, the mufflers have those, obviously have those freaking motors on them, which need power. And a lot of people, like Elliot, especially him, have the third brake light, and in order to run it into the car, there's a certain grommet we need to get to, but I can't have that third brake light because I actually have the Eco hitch on my car, so there's actually a trailer hitch behind that. So a couple clips on that side, a couple clips on that side, and I've already taken the screws out, and you can just pull the bumper off. It's really easy, actually. Okay, so after putting these on and testing them out, we discovered that this one's not like spinning it open. Hey, it's super easy to twist with my finger. And this is not the broken one.
Maybe it's... Try spinning that thing.
Wait, what if I plugged it in and then...
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Alright, so we finally got down to installing that last section that goes into the mid pipe there. It doesn't fit with the heat shield, so you have to take that off. Also, the bolts that go into that section don't fit either. You have to file down the top side and the bottom side of them beforehand. This has turned into a pain in the ass. Watch someone in the comments say that this retard's using a Dremel when he should be using insert tool here. I think a drill would be kind of tough. Because then you'd have to drill it all the way out, and I don't know if I want to do that.
Yeah. Still?
Almost.
Dang.
Ooh.
That one's close.
I should probably use the one that's not. Yeah, see, this one's the one that's not grinded down, so it doesn't fit. So these Subaru bolts don't fit in here. Got to make the holes bigger. Video update. This sucks. Oh my god. So everything's been going smoothly on the back half. That V-band down there, which Elliot made sound like they're really good, just has been a pain.
They're supposed to be.
Yeah, they're supposed to be. Oh my god. This is the worst. And they like don't even supply you with hardly any hardware. It's pretty sweet too. I don't think the 16 was working. I think you were stripping it. Hits. This is finally done, basically, right now. We haven't finished quite everything yet on my car, which is out here. But this exhaust is aiming down slightly. I'm curious to see if that'll be fixed when I actually like put the bumper back on and I look and see. So overall, this XForce exhaust is kind of, it's good, but like the V-band, or not the V-band, the band around the exhaust, there's like a band clamp. It leaks. What else? They don't give you any hardware, so that sucks too, which just resulted in taking so much time just to get one part. The part that connects to where the cat is was totally screwed up with that. I just think that for $900, which is how much I paid for this, which is less than, I didn't want him standing behind me doing any weird things. Anyway, which is less than, we're just checking your hair.
Yeah.
You want to be on YouTube or you wanted?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Too much cancer for YouTube.
I wasn't even going to put you anyway, so you're good.
I get banned.
So for the amount of money you spend, like $890 for me, which was on sale, it was normally $1,100. Just didn't seem like the quality was there 100%. The actual motors for the exhaust, one of them was slower than the other, one of them was broken from UPS. I've had a horrible experience with this so far, but I mean, it's dual mode, so hopefully now I can either do like a downpipe or something and it won't be so extremely loud that my fiance will hate riding in my car or my parents will complain about it. So next step now is just to get the bumper back on, and hopefully the exhaust is actually lining up straight out instead of being aimed down or something. But I think I'm gonna have the exhaust cut apart and then welded, maybe, or something. So then I don't want the resonator in there. I like the non-resonated sound. Well guys, it's done finally. Thank God. That was tough. Like I said before, the exhaust is not gonna be working, or is not clamped correctly from the section that goes from the mid pipe to that Y that separates the back portion. So that's gonna need to be either welded or looked over. I think I'm gonna take this to an exhaust shop. Also, the exhaust is really quiet, like really, really quiet. So hopefully when I take it there, there's a resonator in it. I'm just gonna take it out because it's unnecessary. It doesn't need to be this quiet. It's almost like it sounds stock with the valves open, and it sounds kind of like it's been completely plugged up with the valves closed. It sounds so weird. And I'm gonna show you guys a clip of it really quick. Damn. But anyway, would I recommend this exhaust? Yes, if you're looking for the dual personality of a valved exhaust still, if you're planning on going like mid-pipe or something, and if you don't want to have to worry about a really loud exhaust on the freeway and stuff. It's really nice that it can just close up and like be completely silent. So, you know, that's gonna be nice and useful, but as for how loud it is, it's not that loud. It's pretty freaking quiet. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Rusty. Run. Do something epic. Come on. What the heck?